Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on some basic text functions in Excel. And what I want to talk to you about, I'll probably break into two videos because there's about 6 functions I want to talk to you about. And those functions are left, right, and mid, as well as upper, lower, proper, and maybe we'll throw in concatenate. So what I thought I'd start with are the upper, lower, and proper functions. So I've got some sample data up here with a bunch of retired football player names. And what I want to do is you'll notice that this data, as can happen when you're going between information systems, is improperly formatted. It's the right names, but they're not formatted the way we would like them to be for just plain old English. So ideally, what we'd like to do is take this information and format it with a capital letter at the beginning of first name. So instead of trying to retype all these, we have the ability to use a function called proper. Okay, so the proper function is a single argument function that if you give it a text, okay, gives you the ability to actually format that text with capital first letter. Now notice that Smith and Troy, these two, were already capitalized correctly, but I can fill over and then fill down, and as I fill down, you'll notice that now everything in that text string up top is now formatted correctly down at the bottom. So now, just to give you a ballpark of what the other two corresponding functions will do. So the function that I used, again, was the proper function. Let me show you what the upper and the lower functions do, which I bet you can guess what those functions do. So the upper function, if you give the upper function a text string like Clark here, what it will do is it will capitalize all the letters in that name, and you get Clark for upper. Now, sticking with that, I bet you can guess what the lower function does. If I give it a text string like Tony, that all now is lowercase. So pretty simple, upper, lower, and proper. So tune back in just a second, and we'll talk a little bit about the left, right, and mid functions. All right, that's it for now.